Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Dima Tutorials, and Dima Tutorials, as you already know, is an educational channel on YouTube, on Facebook, and on TikTok. Okay, now I just finished doing a live video, and I want to do this video as an addition, okay, to the live video I just concluded. Okay, now in the live video I was talking about posting past questions. In the video I've discussed Uniloring past questions, Uniport past questions, some questions from Uniloring and some questions from Uniport. Okay, now let's see Uniben in this video. Let's look at Uniben past questions, Uniben posting past questions. Okay, now Uniben, the first one is the discussion became animated. Now we have to choose a word that is closest in meaning to the underlined word. Okay, a word that is closest in meaning to the underlined word. We have the discussion became animated. Now, what is the word animated? What does it mean? The word animated means lively. Okay, something becomes animated, it means that the thing becomes lively. Okay, the thing becomes fun. So the correct answer to this question is option A. Okay, option A, animated. Now let's see another one. Not intellectual, dull. Dull is the opposite word. Okay, dull is opposite in meaning to the word animated, specialized. Okay, it doesn't have anything to do with the word animated. It doesn't have anything to do with the word animated. So let's see another one. Let's see another one from Uniben. Uniben. Uniben, we have the next one. I am always hard up before up. Before the end of each month. Okay, now we have A, without need. B, we have broke. C, we have upset. And D, we have burying. Okay, I am always hard up. Okay, hard up are the underlined words. Okay, hard up are underlined words. Now, what does hard up mean? Okay, the expression hard up simply means not having too much. Okay, lack, it means not having enough of something. Okay, that's what it means to be hard up on something. Okay, if you say you're hard up on cash, it means you have little cash. Okay, if you say you're hard up on information, okay, it means you have little information, not enough information on a particular thing. So hard up means to have little, okay, not much. So let's see the options. We have option A, without need. B, broke. Okay, this is the correct answer. You know what it means for someone to be broke. Okay, when someone is broke, it means the person doesn't have enough money. It means that the person has little money, okay, which is not enough, okay, to solve his or her problems or to cater for his needs. Okay, so broke is the correct answer. Now we have option C, upset. Of course, not correct. You know what it means for someone to be upset, someone to vex, someone to be angry. Okay, so it's not correct. Option C, you have borrowing. It is incorrect as well. Okay, that someone is hard up on cash doesn't mean the person is borrowing. Okay, somebody can be broke and not borrow. So the correct answer is option B, like I said. So let's see the next one. Olabisi Onabanjo University. Okay, I don't know the university. Olabisi Onabanjo University. Design classifications. Now, have they started dash the room yet? We have option A, paint, B to paint, C, painting, and D, painted. Have they started dash the room yet? Okay. We have option A, paint, B to paint, C, painting, and D, painted. Okay, now this sentence talks about something that hasn't happened, okay? Something that hasn't happened, something that will likely happen in the future. So it hasn't happened as at the moment. So we're gonna strike off option D because option D is in the past, okay? Now, have they started dash the room? Now, this sentence actually wants to test your understanding of how to use gerunds and how to use infinitives, okay? How to use gerunds and how to use infinitives. Now, gerunds are verbs that function as nouns, and infinitives are also verbs that function as nouns, okay? Now, gerunds are verbs that end with ing. Gerunds are verbs that end with ing verbs that function as a noun, and infinitives are verbs that are prefaced with to, okay? Are verbs that have to in front of them that function as a noun, okay? Now, for example, teaching is my passion. Teaching is my passion. Okay, now teaching in this sentence is a gerund. Okay, is a gerund. Is a verb. You know that the word teach is a doing word, right? And teaching shows action. But in this sentence, I've used teaching as a noun. Okay, I've used teaching as a noun, so is a gerund. Teaching is teaching is my passion. Another sentence, I would like to teach mathematics in the future. I would like to teach mathematics in the future. Okay. Now notice the difference. Okay, now the second sentence, I would like to teach mathematics in the future. To teach. To teach. Okay. I used to teach here. And to teach here is an infinitive, to teach. To teach is functioning here as a noun. Okay. Now look at the first sentence. The first sentence, teaching is my passion. You know that a noun is the name of a person, animal, or thing. Okay. Now can you replace teaching with something in that sentence, and the sentence will still make sense? Now, if I say something is my hobby, something is my hobby. Okay. Something is my passion. Something is my passion. Okay. Now, if we remove I've replaced teaching with something, and the sentence still makes sense. So that will help you to know that teaching in that sentence is functioning as a noun. In the first sentence, I use a gerund. In the second sentence, I use an infinitive. Why did I use a gerund in the first sentence, and why did I use an infinitive in the second sentence? Okay. Now the first sentence, teaching is my passion. Okay. Now the first sentence states a fact. Okay. It states a fact. It states something that is true. So you use gerunds when you want to talk about something that is a fact, something that is factual, something that is true, or something that has happened. Okay, use gerunds. You don't say, it will be wrong for you to say to teach is my passion. No, it's wrong. You say teaching is my passion because we're talking about something that is a fact. Okay, something that is factual. Okay, something that is factual. Not something that has not happened or something that will happen in the future. The second sentence, I would like to teach mathematics in the future. I would like to teach mathematics in the future. Now I'm talking about something that will happen in the future, something that has not happened. Okay, so that's why I use to. That's why I used an infinitive. So you use infinitives when you want to talk about something that is yet to happen. Okay, when we want to talk about something that is yet to happen, something that is hypothetical, something that is abstract, something that has not happened. Now you use gerund to talk about something that has happened. Use infinitive to talk about something that has not happened. Okay. Use gerund to talk about factual events. Use infinitive to talk about abstract events. Okay, or hypothetical events. So that is the difference between gerunds and infinitives. I hope you are following. Okay. Um. Now let's look at this sentence now. Have they started dash the room yet? Now, this sentence, what does it talk about? Does it talk about something that has happened or something that will happen in the future? It talks about something that will happen in the future. Okay, so what should we use? What should fill the gap now? From the explanation I just gave, what do you think should fill the gap? Which option do you think is the correct answer? Yeah, option B. Okay, option B. Option B is the correct answer because the have they started dash the room yet shows that talking about an action that is yet to happen. Okay, an action that is yet to occur. So we're gonna use an infinitive. Okay, a verb that is prefaced with to. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Have they started to paint the room yet? Have they started to paint the room yet? So option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer, not option C. Okay, this is wrong because we're talking about something that is yet to happen. Okay, I hope you understood it. So that is it. That's all about gerunds and infinitives. Okay, like I said at the beginning of this video, so this is more like an addendum, is an addition to the live video that just ended. Okay, so this is an addition. Okay, the live video ended because I think network or my data. Okay, my data got exhausted. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. I hope you understood it. Okay, please make sure you like the video, share it to your friends, and invite your friends to join me here on YouTube. Join me on Facebook. I hope you guys know I'm on Facebook. Okay, if you're watching this video and you're not following me on Facebook, make sure you go to Facebook and follow me. Okay, and if you're not following me on TikTok, Dima Tutorials is on TikTok as well. Go to TikTok and follow Dima Tutorials. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys again very soon. Bye.